morning. It's so great to see you again today. Yesterday was Monday, so today is the second day of the week, which is Tuesday. Tuesday. Tuesday of what month? We're still in the month of March. March what? It's the last day of March. 31st. And what year? 2020. Now, today is the last day of March because 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31 except for February, which has 28 except on a leap year. So March has 31 days because it's not. 30 days has September, April, June, and November. Those are the only 4 months that have 30 days. And which month has 28 days? February, except every 4 years is a leap year, so it has 29. Okay, let's keep that locked tight in our brain, especially when we get to tomorrow and we'll be in a new month. Do you remember the months of the year? You do? Can you sing the song? Okay, so then what month comes after March? January, February, March, April. So remember that in your brain for tomorrow when I ask you what month it is, because it will be April. What letter do you think April starts with? An A. Very good, guys. Remember, join me for stations after this with your whole brain and participate when I ask how much money, how much blocks, and what time it is. All right, I'll see you at stations.
Can you tell me what this coin is called? It's a quarter. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. Can you tell me what this coin is called? It's a dime. How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. Can you tell me what this coin is called? It's a nickel. How much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. Can you tell me what this coin is called? It's a penny. How much is a penny worth? 1 cent. How much money is in this piggy bank? What coins do you see? Quarters, right. How many quarters? 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 quarters equals $1. There is $1 in this piggy bank because 4 quarters equals $1. How much money is in this piggy bank? How much money is this coin worth? 10. And how much money is this coin worth? 5. 10 plus 5. So get the number 10 in your head and show me 5 on your fingers. Let's count up from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But we're not done because we still have to count 2 more. So 10 plus 5 is 15 plus 2 more. 15, 16, 17. 17 cents in this piggy bank. How much money is in this piggy bank? There's only 2 quarters in this one. If 4 quarters equals $1, 2 quarters is half of that. What is half of $1? 50 cents. 2 quarters is half of $1. Half of $1 is 50 cents. How many blocks do you see here? How many are in the hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones place? $226, because there are 2 hundreds, 2 tens, and 6 ones. 2, 2, 6. 226. Let's try another one. How many blocks do you see here? How many do you see in the hundreds place? And in the tens place? How about the ones place? 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and 0 ones. 320. 3, 2, 0. 320. How many blocks are shown here? There are 2 in the hundreds place, 6 in the tens place, and 2 in the ones place. 262. Can you tell me what time this clock says? Before you do, though, know that this arrow, the little arrow, it's between 9 and 10, isn't it? So, this arrow is really pointing at 9. Because it's halfway in between, it's showing that it's close to being 10. So what time does this clock say? The little hand is still pointing to the 9. Where is the big hand pointing? At the 8. So if we count by 5s, we'll find that the time is 9, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 9:40. Now do you see why it's halfway in between 9 and 10? It's only 20 minutes away from being 10 o'clock. So the little hand is already closer to 10. What time does this clock say? Where is the little hand pointing? Where is the big hand pointing? The little hand's pointing at the 6, so we know the hour is 6, and the big hand is pointing to the 12. What does the 12 mean when the big hand is pointing to it? O'clock. So the time is 6 o'clock. Last one. What time does this clock say? Remember, when the hand is pointing somewhere in between two numbers, it always goes to the back number. So in this case, the little hand is in between the 12 and the 1, so the hour is 12. Now, when we count by 5s, we'll find the minutes. We know the hour is 12, so let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. The time is 12:25. Very good.